Welcome to Busan EFM News at 3. I'm Juliet Hom. President Park Geun-hye called today for reform of South Korea's rigid labor market, setting the stage for confrontation with labor unions that oppose measures that would make it easier to adjust wages and work schedules. She asked labor and management to make concessions in ongoing discussions with the government on reforming the labor market, but acknowledged the difficulties in resolving the explosive issue. The comments came as the finance ministry called for structural reforms to make the labor market more flexible as part of key economic policy plans for next year to improve national competitiveness and fuel growth. The government is seeking to ease inflexibility in employment at large businesses and public companies as part of its structural reform of the economy. Ruling party lawmakers called today for amending a law to stop members of a disbanded party from standing for election. Representative Ha Tae-kyung of the Saenuri Party made the proposal 3 days after the Constitutional Court ruled in favor of disbanding the minor opposition Unified Progressive Party, or UPP, for disrupting the country's basic democratic order through its pursuit of North Korean socialism. The ruling also stripped the UPP's 5 lawmakers of their seats in parliament. By-elections will be held in April for the 3 directly elected seats, while the 2 proportional representation seats will be left empty until the next general election slated for 2016. Kim Woo-sung, the chief of the ruling party, urged the country's progressive forces to abandon their pro-North Korean leanings and show the public their healthy progressive side. Water temperatures around the southern coastal areas have fluctuated between 10 degrees, causing growing concerns about possible damage to fishing farms. An official at the Gyeongnam branch of the National Fisheries Research and Development Institute said that cold waters have continued in southern coastal areas, including Dongyong, and that water temperatures may continue to drop, warning fish farmers of danger this may cause to file fish and sea bream in fish farms. Damage caused by low water temperatures is an ongoing problem, as 4.1 million farm fishes have died along the southern coast over the past 3 years, causing 4.6 billion won in monetary loss. The width of Gwanghwane's sandy beach will be increased from the existing 23 meters up to 50 meters, more than doubling in size. An official in Suyeonggu, Busan said it plans to put 45,000 cubic meters of sand in Gwanghwane by investing 2.32 billion won by 2016. 24 unions in Busan will participate in the nation's first state union president elections held on March the 11th of next year. In Busan, the election will consist of 24 places, including 16 branches in the National Agricultural Cooperative Federation, 7 branches in the National Federation of Fisheries Cooperatives, and 1 forestry cooperative. A court in Argentina has ruled that a shy orangutan who spent the last 20 years in a zoo can be granted some legal rights enjoyed by humans. Lawyers had appealed to free Sandra from Buenos Aires Zoo by arguing that although not human, she should be given legal rights. Now for the weather. Today's weather in Busan and Gyeongnam will be mostly clear with cloud and snow in some western inland areas of Gyeongnam. A dry weather warning has been issued in some areas of Gyeongnam. Waves will rise from 0.5 to 2 meters in the seas. Find us concentration levels are low today. It is currently 5 degrees here in Busan. That wraps up this hour's news. Thank you for joining us. Now you're listening to Busan EFM.